Hey everyone, it's Melody. I am here with another BTS album unboxing video. We're going to be opening up 9 albums today. I have 2 from Map of the Soul 7. I have versions 2 and 4. I have 2 from Love Yourself Tear. They are versions Y and R. And then I have 5 from Love Yourself Her. This is version O for all 5 of them. So let me go ahead and take everything out of the plastic and then we will open everything up and see which photo cards we got. If you happen to like this type of video where you see me unbox BTS albums and see which photo card I pull, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know you are interested in that kind of video on this channel. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, and first up we have Map of the Soul 7. This is version 2. I actually have not purchased this version yet, so this will be new to my collection. So here's the cover. Here's the back. The Map of the Soul 7s are ginormous. It opens like a book, so let's open it up. There's the album. You've got a poster here. Oh my gosh. I got Tae. I didn't know it was gonna be so quick like that. So I have Tae. Oh my, I think I have this one. That's so funny. Do I have this one? I'm gonna have to double check. I actually don't remember. Hold on. I do not have Tae. I am so thrilled right now. Oh my goodness. So I pulled a Tae. The back looks like so. It has like kind of the little shiny grid-like details on the back as well, but oh my gosh, I'm so thrilled. Yay! Very excited to have this one. Here's the poster like I was originally saying. So here's the poster. I actually prefer this set for the photo cards versus version 1. So I'm really excited to have got that. It comes with the notebook. Like so. If you've watched any of my other unboxing videos from BTS, you know that I don't really go over everything else in a lot of detail. Here's a little postcard. The back of the postcard comes with a book for lyrics and all the details. I think this is a coloring page. I assume it's a coloring page. So we've got that sticker sheet. I believe these are individual posters. And then here is the little poster pack. Lots of different posters in here. They do put it in this really nice sleeve for you. If anyone is interested in actually seeing all of the contents in a lot of detail, let me know. I assume most people aren't. These are older albums at this point, so I figure everyone knows what's already in them. But just in case anyone does want to see that, let me know. But the most exciting part is Tae! I'm so thrilled, yay! Alright, let's go ahead and open up the next one. Alright, here is Map of the Soul 7 version 4. I have 1, 3, and 4 now that I have personally purchased. So here's 4. That's what the cover looks like. Here's the back. Let's go ahead and open it up, book style, CD, poster, and I'm assuming once I take that poster off, I'm gonna see the photo card right away. So let's do it. Let's just do, oh my goodness! Namjoon. It's our leader. It's Namjoon. He looks fantastic here. Every time I see this photo card, I think Slytherin, just because of the green ensemble he has on. Love it though. I've been wanting this one forever. I'm trying to collect all of them. It's going slowly, especially for the Map of the Soul 7s. I just don't know if I want to keep buying tons of albums and doing unboxings or if I want to actually scour and look for them. I think the photo cards for Map of the Soul 7s are so much more easily replicated and I'd rather like actually have authentic ones obviously. So I'm kind of wondering if I'm going to be mass purchasing these albums to get the photo cards. But there's Namjoon. Here's the back. You can see kind of like the reflective detail on the grid line. Oh, I'm so excited. I love that one. I don't think I have this one yet. I don't have a ton from this series, so very excited. I actually like this series a lot. I think the photos are very nice. So here's the poster. It's kind of like that academia school vibe. I like that poster a lot. The postcard. The notes. Another one of these coloring sheets, I think, right? I think that's what it is. Lyrics and information and thank yous and such booklet. Another sheet of stickers. And then you have the mini individualized posters in here as well. Like so. Do you guys have these posters up on your walls? Do you guys use them? I don't know what I want to do with mine, to be honest with you. So everything will live in the book except for the photo card. So super thrilled I got RM. All right, next up we have Love Yourself. This is version tier, and let's go ahead and open up version Y first. I bought all of my albums from Target, just in case anyone's interested. The only version of this album that I have purchased so far is actually O. So here it is. You get the album and then the photo book, and inside the photo book there's a bunch of stuff. Let me pull it out first. Let's do a quick run through of the photo book. Oh, this is a good photo book. Everything's bright and outdoors. I like it. Oh, that's beautiful. Hope. J-Hope. This is a great photo book. Love it. Oh, and then there's the stand in there. I'm going to leave the stand right there. But I actually cut up one of the Love Yourselves. Which one did I cut up? Answer, I think, for the photos. I didn't realize there aren't that many photos. Honestly, it's a lot of writing and a lot of lyrics and the other portion of the booklet. But there's the photo book, and then I pulled everything out. So let's go in this order. Here are the notes. I usually leave the notes inside the album. I know some people like to also display those, but I don't do that. All right, so here's my photo card. Let's see who I got. I got Jimin. Oh my god, do I have this one? I don't know if I have this one or not. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have a ton from this series, so I'm actually really excited. I don't believe I have him. Let me double check. I do not, so I'm very excited. This is a fresh one for me, brand new, which is actually not that hard for the Love Yourself tier. I don't have a lot from this series, so that's what the back looks like with the holographic detail to it. Oh, I'm so thrilled though. Yay! Something I don't have, thankfully. All right, let's go ahead and open up the other one now. Here is version R. I'm a little bit nervous because I do have 4 of the photo cards from version R already. So we'll see what we get in this one. Ooh, I like the patterning on that one. Here is the album. Here's the booklet. Let me pull out everything from the inside first so it doesn't just fall out. All right, everything has been pulled out now. Let's go ahead and look at the photo album real quick. I like it. I like this denim on denim look. It's a good album. I actually wish there were more photos now. Oh my gosh. Jin looks so good. I love RM. Oh my goodness. Alright, so there's the photo book. Here are all the inclusions of this bad boy. We've got the stand. We have the notes. And the photo card. I'm nervous. Let's see who this is. Here we go. We got Yoongi. I think I have Yoongi. Oh my goodness. Suga. Let me double check and see if I have him actually. Yep, Yoongi's a double for me. So this one will probably be going for trade or sale, but very cool to pull Yoongi. Again, there's how the back looks. Very cool. All right, next up we have the 5 Love Yourself Her version O's to open up. I'm only gonna go through the inclusions once and we'll just pull the photo card for the other 4. For whatever reason, version O was hard for me to find at Target. So when I saw 5 of them, I picked all of them up. I need 4 of them for this set for the photo cards. So here's the album. Here is the photo book. I need 4 from this series. I'm gonna pull out everything first. Oh, I'm gonna try not to look at it. Oi! Let's look at the photo book really quickly. It's kind of magical, whimsical, fairy-like. Lots of contrasting colors, a little bit nature-y. The Jin photo card for this set makes me laugh so hard. He looks like he's standing in the middle of a fern. Like literally like that. We let Jin do Jins. There's the sticker sheet. I'm gonna leave that in there as well. I forgot that one came with a sticker sheet like that. RM looks so good in his photo card. I need that one too. There we go. Comes with the notes. This is a pink booklet this time. All right, here's the photo card, you guys. Holographic back. Let's see who we got. Please be someone I don't have. Oh, J-Hope, yay! I do not have J-Hope yet, thank goodness. Yay, oh my goodness. There's J-Hope. Looking super cute. Love his hair. Fantastic. Let's open up the other ones. So for any doubles and things like that, I typically just sell them or trade them. And for the albums, I also try to do the same. But if I can't for whatever reason, then I just use the photos as photos to craft with, honestly. So here it is. Let's just flip through wherever the photo card might be. Nope, that's stickers. Oh, oh my God, we got J-Hope again. You guys, I'm so scared this is gonna happen. So I'm so afraid that all 5 of these are gonna be J-Hope, because I got all 5 of them from the same Target. So I'm a little bit worried about this happening. But we'll see how that kind of goes. But here's J-Hope again. All right, let's flip through the third one. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's J-Hope again. I was so afraid of this happening. Here is J-Hope again. 3 J-Hopes. You guys, the other 2 are gonna be J-Hope as well. Like, I already know it. Book number 4, it's gonna be J-Hope, I already know. Oh. You guys. So this is a lesson learned for sure. If you happen to see a bunch from the same Target, likelihood of you pulling the same photo card is very high. So 4th J-Hope. Last one, you guys. I already know it's gonna be J-Hope, so I'm not even like all that anxious about it. Oh my God, no, just kidding, we got Yoongi. Oh my goodness. Here's Yoongi, who I think I already have. How funny is that? Yoongi is one that I already own from this set. I really needed Tae. Oh goodness. So 4 J-Hopes, 1 Yoongi. I guess my logic was not quite right. And then we have 4 J-Hopes from the Love Yourself Her version O. I do love this card though. I love all of the Love Yourself Hers with Yoongi because I love his mint colored hair. And just a final recap, you guys, we pulled RM, Tae, Jimin, 2 Yoongis, and 4 J-Hopes. I do need J-Hope, so one of them I will be keeping. I don't need the other 3, so we'll see what happens here. These Yoongis are also doubles for me. I'm very excited about those 3 because I needed those as well. This was a lot to handle right here, but you know, that's what happens when you buy things in multiple like I did, especially from the same store. But I guess it's kind of exciting that we didn't get all J-Hope. I don't know. But there are still ones that I need. I really need Taeyong so bad from this series here, so I might either try to buy more or just try to find him somewhere else. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more like this, definitely let me know down below. Let me know who you pulled from any of these albums. I would also love to know that as well. If you guys want to see more from me in general, I will put my BTS playlist up here. I don't have a lot of videos because I don't have a lot of BTS content on my channel, but I have been having more recently. If you guys want to just see more from me in general, you can definitely hit subscribe down below as well. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, staying happy. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!